It's Clay here at Mallard Motors. Before we get started today, y'all don't forget about our $100 credit challenge. If we can't get your credit approved for a new vehicle, we'll give you $100 in cash. This one is not new to the lot, but it did just get a new pair of shoes today. This is a 2014 model Chevy Silverado 1500. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 under the hood. Chrome grille, chrome accents here and there, chrome wheels, and as of today, just got brand new tires on it, Gladiator mud tires, and also got a leveling kit put on there, so it looks pretty sharp. Four-wheel drive. It's the club cab instead of the crew cab, so the back seat's a little smaller, but still plenty of room in there. Does have keyless entry, power locks, power windows, adjustable power mirrors, power seats. It does have cloth interior, looks to be in good shape, nothing wrong with it.
Well, you're doing a great job.
Yeah, I am.
Let's see. It's got about 147,000 miles on the dash. Got your cruise control right here on the steering wheel. Now this is something that I like. It's got the manual four-wheel drive shift, not electric. Got a nice little screen on your radio system right there. Really not a bad looking truck. If you think you might be interested in this truck, you can go to mallardmotors.com/approved and fill out an application for us, and we can get you a quote on down payment and monthly payments.